How to fix iPhone hotspot not working. So if you want to fix your iPhone hotspot not working, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your settings. Under settings, as you can see that I have a personal hotspot option, right? But if you don't find this option, then what you need to do is just simply go with the mobile. Once you're on your mobile service or once you're on your mobile settings, you'll have mobile data option. Toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, then you will find the personal hotspot option right here. Go with it and then turn it on. But if you still don't find the option of personal hotspot, but if it's still not working or if your hotspot is not working, then just turn off your mobile data at once and then again turn it on. And once you turn off and turn on, just switch, then your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't, then you just need simply go back, go with your general. Under general, go with about. At the very top, tap on your name and slightly change your iPhone's name. You can add a number, a letter, or make a small change. Now return to your personal hotspot and switch it back on and test again to see if it works. If it's still not working, try restarting your iPhone. Press the volume up button once, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the screen goes black. Release it when you see the Apple logo and your iPhone will restart. Once your iPhone restarts, turn the hotspot back on and try connecting again. At this point, it should work properly and allow you to share your data. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.